Currently, as of 8 p.m., it's 42 degrees at DW's place in Asheville, North Carolina. Clouds and precipitation are beginning to move in as a cold front approaches that should clear the region by mid-morning tomorrow. Friday afternoon into Saturday morning will be fair, but more clouds will move in by Saturday evening. That's when an interesting system may develop that could bring snowfall to the mountains Saturday night and Sunday. We're going to take a look at the GFS, the North American model, and the European model to see what all of them are saying about this system. This is the GFS. It shows the system that I was telling you about moving in our direction as an area of low pressure system crosses over the Great Lakes into Canada with a cold front trailing behind it. There's Arctic air further to the north, and it's barely going to get to us, keeping us cold at night, but we're not going to get very cold yet. Now, as this system crosses the area, the cold front behind it will still be active, and we could see another system moving in by Saturday night. We're going to take a look at that system next. So this is Saturday evening, and I'm going to show you the trend for the GFS so you can see how it has been expecting the system, but it has limited the moisture until recently. And now all models, including the North American model and the European model, have trended towards more moisture being available. So we're possibly going to see snowfall Saturday night into Sunday morning for the North Carolina mountains. The latest run of the GFS shows the entire system moving through with colder air moving in behind it. There's a map of positive snowfall depth change showing how much snowfall the GFS is currently projecting. We can also take a look at the North American model and watch it loop through the system. So you can see they have similar outcome with moisture moving off the Atlantic into colder air, providing enough colder air and moisture for snowfall over the North Carolina mountains. This is the North American model's positive snowfall depth change maps. Now we move over to the European model. You can see what the European model is projecting for the first system that's going to bring rain overnight into tomorrow morning. And then you can see what it also shows for the next system coming Saturday night into Sunday. It also produces enough moisture and cold air for precipitation in the form of snowfall over the North Carolina mountains. Let's take a look and see what kind of accumulation it's predicting with a 10-to-1 snowfall ratio. Now I've switched over to the National Weather Service so I can show you the current radar. This is the first system coming through. As you can see, it's really not that intense, and so we aren't really expecting a lot of rainfall overnight, but winds will pick up as the cold front crosses the area, and there will be some activity, maybe even a little bit of frozen precipitation. And finally, I would like to end my show by thanking my buddy DW, who's a meteorologist. He helped me set up my weather desk. Thanks, D-Dubs.